So, I got wrapped again today. Just letting y'all know the process of being wrapped. There's 10 wraps, different wraps on this leg, 10 different wraps on that leg. And then I got socks on the bottom of it, so if I don't have the shoes on that you have to wear, these are the shoes that you have to wear. And I have 2 of them because of both legs being wrapped. So, just trying to give y'all some idea. I've got people who've got questions about lipedema. I said before, lipedema has a P in it. Both of them have P's in it. Please forgive me. But the process is, sometimes it's overwhelming. Today wasn't too bad. I had to do the exercises afterwards today. So, I am losing centimeters in some areas. That's better than not losing anything at all. I mean, I'm losing inches in some areas. It's just a slow process. So, thank you for keep praying for me. This is wrap number 5 or 6, I think. I don't remember. But I go back on Monday to get wrapped again. All right, guys.